Morning. First of all, I am thankful to our chief guest and judges and the Pravakta team, our teachers and my debaters friends. So, myself Manasvi Patil and I am the captain of best debater team. So, friends, we have just got the fantastic topic private job versus government job. So, we have choose the private job. So, friends, you know the unity is the important thing, and if you will be see in the private job, unity will be there will be a team of 10 or 20 people that etc. That team will be work on the any project, so they will have to do perform their unity, and it is the good thing. As like second, I want to say leadership. There is a leadership in private job, means one leader can handle the whole team, and that they will be go to the progress. And private job and if you have just private job, so you have to just got the more much facilities. As like you don't have to take the loan for a house, means if you have just if you have just if you have just apply the condition that I'm in the new in this city, I don't know about this area, so that company will be just give you the flat from company. And if you are just living too far from that company, so that company will be produce that company will be send any vehicle like car or anything for receiving you. So that is the respect that we are taking from the companies. And as like the for the your family and for the your enjoyment, the company just provide you some schemes like to go for a long trip for to spending time with your family. And as like we know, if you have idea, means if you have no have money, so you don't have to take loan for any business or anything. If you have idea, you just only go to any CEO of any company, and you have to just you have to just tell them about your idea and what's your plan, and that the company, that CEO or anything who just know means who just like and who just prove your that idea, so that time he will be just spend him money to the your idea. And if it will be just your idea will be success, so then you will be get them that whole things. So just at last, I only want to say that in the if you are in the just private job, so you will got the whole things, and you will be just good, you will be just give good use of your skill and your knowledge. So friends, at last I want to just say that the private job is more beneficial than government job.
Sister, I fully disagree with your point. As you tell in your
Fully disagree with your point. You have listened that the one statement that is take respect, give respect, and take respect. As you know, we are in the Pravakta Academy now. So now juniors, we are the students are just giving respect to our teachers, and the juniors are giving respect to the seniors. So there is no matter of the respect in the government job or that private job, because the respect is defined by yourself. If you are just giving respect to others, then others will be give you respect. As that. And what about that government job? There is the particular age limit in the government job, means that army officers, if you know, the one rule is there, the some army officers have only the job job for 4 years. So after the 4 years, they have to do the anything, they have to do any job for their career. So as like the things that we can see.